Hey, y'all beautiful people out there. And today we're going to be playing Hello Neighbor. Okay, so chill, relax, and have a good time. My my video's ended 15 minutes or 7, so I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, Debbie, that's my annoying sister. So I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get on to the video.
You could call this detour a game of Chinese whispers, commonly known as telephone in the United States. Here in this seafood restaurant, one team member will take an order in Cantonese, given by a customer, and then relay the order to the team in the kitchen who must decipher the correct dish. When the customers get what they want, teams will get what they want. Their next word. Toolbox. Extra pare. Berry crab or rum crab? No, the crab seems easier. I think this one, the first one. Yeah, how about the berry crabs? Yeah, okay. It's gonna move either way, but it's two different destinations. Where are we going? Choosing to do berry crab. Got it. All right. You said that? Okay. We're ready. Can we get this one? It's okay. It's okay. Last price. Okay. 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 Okay, hold up. Let's see. Okay. One, two, three. Amazing. Okay. We're gonna hear crab. Like crabs or like seafood. Or it's like. Oh, suddenly it's raining. What a surprise. All right, let's do this one. That's a lot of crabs, man. 50 crabs here. Nice getting up there. Get under. Oh, damn it. Get away. I don't know what to do. Out. Out. Get out here. Get out. I was intimidated by the crowd. Just go with it. Just go with it. Get like touching it. My leg is not. We're tying up some crabs. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try one by myself. We need to take a crab and a basket. Oh, there's a lot of crabs in here. This is gonna take a while. Okay, right here, Cookie. I am. You love me, man. Why don't you grab them? Grab them, yeah. Yeah. Got one? Yeah. Hey, there we go. You ready? I'll get cooperation, my friend. Yeah, yeah. Let's take care of it. Ready? Yeah, yeah. Okay, yes.
What the fuck? No. No.
I'm sick. So running like a bowl of dogs? Surprising. What's not surprising? How much money will you save by switching to Geico? 15 minutes could save you 15% off. Introducing McDonald's new $1 $2 menu. Use it to go through my coffee I want it now. Or the something for everyone meal. Featuring the new classic chicken sandwich for $3. And your meal, the favorite time McDonald's new $1 $2 $3 menu. Make your day with just one touch. Fancy feast premium delight. Chicken is just the right touch of real love. Easily digestible. It makes your favorite entree even more delightful. Fancy feast creamy delight. Love is in the details. When you have a cold, pain from a headache can make this feel like this.
Cold symptom relief from Tylenol, the number one doctor recommended pain relief brand. Tylenol. Tired of fall slash fail? No more fail. New X Fiber Mascara by L'Oreal. 1. Black primer, extreme volume. 2. 20 times more lengthening fibers. Extreme length. No falsies, no extensions. Just fibers. New X Fiber Mascara by L'Oreal Paris.
Hey, get your stuff together. Okay, let's go.
No, I'm about to. We're about to. Let's do this. I am. I need to. I really need to complete this first. Oh shit. What? Bye guys.